You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with long addition. The final result is 1,020,202,526. Let's solve it step by step. Rewrite the numbers from top to bottom, aligned by their place values. Add up the digits in each column, from right to left. 9 plus 7 equals 16. Carry 1 to the tens place. 1 plus 5 plus 6 equals 12. Carry 1 to the hundreds place. 1 plus 5 plus 9 equals 15. Carry 1 to the thousands place. 1 plus 0 equals 2. 3 plus 7 equals 10. Carry 1 to the hundred thousands place. 1 plus 0 equals 2. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 8 plus 4 equals 12. Carry 1 to the hundred millions place. 1 plus 5 plus 4 equals 10. Carry 1 to the billions place. Write 1 in the billions place, and so the final result is 1,020,202,526.